As the gaming community gears up for the highly anticipated release of Foamstars on February 6, 2024, excitement is in the air. However, with early access and pre-launch trials, some users have reported issues with getting Foamstars to work correctly on their PS4 and PS5 consoles. If you are encountering similar hurdles, here's a quick guide to help you navigate these issues, plus a look at the system requirements to ensure your setup is ready for action. Both your game and console should be up to date. Developers often release patches for new games shortly after their launch. Sometimes the simplest solution are the most effective. A quick restart can clear temporary glitches. If updates and restart don't work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Foamstars. This can resolve potential corrupt files. Foamstars require a stable internet connection. Ensure your internet settings are optimized for gaming. If all else fails, reaching out to the game support team or visiting forums can provide solutions specific to your issue. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, your console should meet the game's requirements. For PS4 users, it's recommended to have at least a PS4 Pro for optimal performance due to the game's intensive graphics and mechanics. PS5 users should have no trouble running the game thanks to the console's advanced hardware. However, ensuring your system software is updated to the latest version is crucial for both consoles. Foamstars promises to be an exciting addition to the gaming landscape. By ensuring your system meets the necessary requirements and applying these troubleshooting tips, you'll be ready to dive into the action without delay. Happy gaming!
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.